What's up, everybody? We're gonna be working on the little ram today. Gonna be doing some exhaust work. We're gonna be putting the Magnaflow 19440 direct fit dual muffler delete on the ram. Basically the poor man's catback. I figured this has got good sized pipe. It's 3-inch back to 2.5 to the pipes. And they got nice tips, and they do have some resonators in there. So I figured if I get this kit, it will make it a little louder because it's pretty quiet now. Here, let me do the remote start. Yeah, for a stock truck, it doesn't sound horrible though. So I'm gonna go ahead. It's pretty easy to put this system on. I always put my keys up in my toolbox for this truck, or pop the hood so I don't hit the electric start while I'm underneath it working on it, because that will scare the fuck out of you. Pardon my language. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this bad boy. Pretty simple. It's a pipe and 3 clamps. It's a stainless system. Some of the cheaper catbacks are steel. So that's what it looks like. Very simple. Gear hangers built in. Slotted pipes. Very basic. Very basic. And 3 clamps way down there at the bottom. I'm gonna have to fight it. Anywho, and then probably jack this bad boy up, get it on some stands just to make it a little easier for my fat self to get up underneath it. So, yeah, get up underneath there, and yeah, catch you guys in a second when I get underneath the truck. Well, just put her up on the back jack stands, aka some spare wheels I got. Shouldn't ever fall off them, or it'd be very hard to knock them out from underneath it. So I like using them. There's our differential. There's our muffler back there we're gonna be deleting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the creeper, crawl under there, and see what we need to take it off. You guys are gonna need a 15mm socket and a ratchet or an impact like I got. I'm hoping I can fit it up in there. Gonna pop this clamp loose, and this clamp right here. Now, you'll read up online, a lot of people say stuff about this spot weld, and people say you gotta drill it out. Now, I don't know, I'm gonna try not drilling it out, and we will see what it does, but I'm hoping I don't have to. And that means the clamps will never fall off the muffler, and you can keep them all in one location, in case you ever want to go back. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hangers down with some lubrication device, some spray lubrication, and then put some PB Blaster on the clamps themselves to hopefully free them up a bit. So we'll catch you guys in a second. Hopefully this bad boy's starting to come out. After about 5 minutes of fighting it, it's out. I had to take that primary pipe out. It doesn't have a hanger. It just has, well, it doesn't have a knob on the end there. It'll slide right out of that hanger there. So here, that one's easy. This one slid most of the way out. It's got a hanger right there I popped it out of. I'm gonna go ahead and get the muffler delete in and hook it, and then hook it back on that. So, whew, that was a fight. That's a heavy little sucker. So, I'll cut you on a second when I got that delete in. Well, it's in there. Wasn't real bad. This pipe's sticking out a little bit more because it's not quite as long out. If you look, well, I guess that's pretty close, but to get my tips to line up really good at the back, I had to leave it out a smidge, like that much farther than factory. Back here, it's actually probably back farther than factory, but every clamps seem to be nice clamps. Seems to be a good fit. Looks good. Tips are lined up well. Can also loosen them up here and move them around a smidge if I need to, which I might yet. But yeah, it looks pretty even, which is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the remote start there. I'm anxious to hear what it sounds like, guys. Excited. All right, let's hear. Whatever supposed to start. Oh. Dang it. Remote start disabled. Restart vehicle to reset. Wonder what it did that for. Does that time. All right, let's. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's more my style. Much more my style. That sounds good, boys. That sounds really good. Oh, I'm so happy. That right there, just, you know, yeah. That's worth all $219 worth right there. For nice alignment too. God, that's good. I like it. Sounds good. Sounds good. That sounds awesome. Unlock it. I want to see if the remote start works now. Nice. Rumbles. That is a Hemi now. That's nice. That's what I wanted right there. That's good stuff. Wonder how it sounds in the truck. Might do it. Was worried about that. The exhaust does vibrate together a little bit there. I may actually get a pry bar in, put a little gap in there, possibly pull that tube out and put a small dent in it just so they don't rub and vibrate. So if all else fails, I end up bending it out a little bit and setting the tip off. I can unbolt my shutter off there. I can go ahead and undo those and move the tip around a little bit there too. It's just more fine adjustment. So yeah, cool. I'm super happy with that. That is awesome. That is way nicer sound than the stock muffler there. That thing's also pretty heavy too. I wonder what it weighs, but it's not light. I'm not going to get rid of it because you never know. I might want to go back to stock someday. You never know. So yeah, anyways, that was it, guys. Pretty much the install. But yeah, this is probably my favorite mod I've done so far. I can already tell you, I've got a leak. I probably have a couple of these pipes, like stuff like this tend to be having a leaks and stuff, but I'll probably drive it for a day or two and then retighten clamps and whatnot. So we'll check you guys back in possibly a future update, a mod video. I got a couple things coming for it that I'm gonna do here shortly. So yep. Any hoozle. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and hope you guys have a good rest of your day and week. So catch you guys in the next video. Peace.